Hey guys, Stephanie, she's flying here in front of the hotel. She is very excited. Stephanie, how do you feel about it? Hi, Mr. Duck. Here, let's go to the window.
Yeah, to my left. I'm staring right at it. So you're flying the drone. How do you feel, Mr. DeSantos?
Finally, huh? She's a lucky one. Oh, I'm the lucky one now.
What is it?
I think we can park here. There was some parallel parking skill right there, my friend. Made by me. You gonna mess up the birds in the house?
We don't have birds in the house.
I mean,
E a energia solar.
é legal.
Oh,
Isso.
solar.
É, você deixa no sol no jardim, quando o sol pega, ele funciona.
Barreiro. Velho Barreiro? Ok.
Okay, hold on. Explain just what happened. Explain just what happened.
Okay, this what happened here, guys. There is no water, right? And I called the reception, say, hey, there is no water coming through my toilet. And they say, hey, check the valve. Like, let's check the valve. Like, the valve is on the side of the shower head, right there. So, yesterday I was showering. I thought I was controlling the temperature of the water, but I was turning off the toilet water right there. See now? You turn it on. I thought I was controlling the temperature of the water,
Right.
but actually,
That controls the temperature.
no. Here it's.
You use this or did
No, this is not. It's not working. There is no left to right here.
It's
Right?
hot and cold, yes, sir. That's what I've been showering with.
Okay,
for
so
years.
I don't know. This is a shitty restaurant. Shitty.